my name is Star and today I'm going to talk about positive affirmation, what it is and how you can use it to improve your day-to-day life. Also, I don't know if you can tell if my hair and clothes are wet. It rained and I impulsively went and ran out in the rain, so just don't judge, it's fine. And if you're new, consider liking and subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. And I hope you enjoy the video. So first of all, what actually is a positive affirmation? Positive affirmations are positive statements that you say to yourself, such as, I am grounded. Now, positive affirmations are normally said in a way that makes them seem as if they have already happened. For example, I would say I am grounded rather than I will be grounded. This makes it kind of seem like it's already happening and kind of, instead of distancing it, because I think when you use I will be, it makes it seem distanced from yourself, if that makes any sort of sense. It's more to already have it there, like to bring it to you and make it seem like it is already happening, you've already done it and you are already there. They might just seem like basic sentences, and they are, but they can tremendously improve your day-to-day life if you use them often. So now for actually using positive affirmations on a day-to-day basis to help you improve your life. It sounds like a really big thing, but it really isn't. So the first thing that you need to do is find what you actually need to improve on in yourself. For me, that's grounding, because I'm not very grounded at the moment, but I am grounded. I am grounded. But choose something that you need to work on and then create the positive affirmation sentence. So for me, that would be, I am grounded. Make it short and easy to say. Don't make it this long winding sentence that you're going to forget, because you're going to need to say it often. That is what makes it work. If you say it once, it's not going to kind of be ingrained in your mind, I suppose. So what you would do is you would say this affirmation once a day, twice a day, however many times you want to say it. I will normally say them in front of a mirror, like, I don't know, I just find it helpful to actually look at myself depending on what my affirmation is and say it. But you can also say it literally anywhere, anytime. If you're in bed, if you're at work, at school, you're on a walk, like anywhere. And that is why I like positive affirmations so much, because I can literally just do it whenever. So pick your times, but also whenever you feel like you're in a situation where you don't feel whatever it is you want to work on, like let's say I'm not feeling very grounded in a particular time, I would take a second to just focus on myself, take some breaths and say my positive affirmation, and I will normally repeat it several times. That's just how I personally like to do it, but you can do this however you like. On the topic of positive affirmations, this is a good time to talk about actually just focusing on the things that you say in general. I don't think we even realise half the time, but we all say a lot of negative things. If you live in the mindset of, I can't do this, I'm not good enough to do this, you never will. Some people might not be able to understand that and get to grips with that, but if you set that limitation in your mind, you are not going to overcome it. If you tell yourself that you can't do something, you've already put that out in your mind that you can't do it. And no matter what you do, if you are stuck in that mindset, you will not be able to push yourself to do it. Don't set limits when there doesn't need to be limits. If you tell yourself, I can, I am able to, I am good enough, you will. That's such a simple concept, but so many people don't use it. That's why I think it's also such a good thing to practice gratitude and things like that. Just saying something that you are appreciative about every day. It could be when you wake up in the morning, or just whenever you're feeling rubbish. Just remember that there are things that you are grateful for, and also just be aware of the things that you say. Whenever you say something negative, try and say something positive, or say several things. For me, when I say something negative and I realise that I've said something negative, I try and say something positive, but I try and say 3 things positive. It could be me saying the same thing 3 times, or it could be 3 individual things. I just think that when you say something negative, you should be aware of the positive and make yourself aware of the positive. You have to really ingrain it into your mind. Positive affirmations work by changing your mindset. So if you are stuck in the I can't, I will never be able to do this, it's saying small things every day to actually change your mind, to make you go from that mindset to slowly going to, actually I can do these things, and I'm going to do these things, and I am in the process of doing these things. It's just getting rid of the negative and trying to turn that mindset into a positive. If you're sitting here right now, do it now. Think of something in your head and do it now. You set limitations by thinking too much, by overthinking situations. But if you just say it, and whenever you think about it, just do it. Like literally, if it pops in your mind, say a positive affirmation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps, and I hope that you do use this information, and I will see you in another video. Bye!